Sing of Mary, pure and lowly, Virgin Mother undefiled. Sing of God's own Son, most holy, who became a little child. Fairest child of fairest mother, oh, the Lord who came to earth. What made flesh a very brother, takes our nature by his blood. Sing of Jesus, Son of Mary, in the home at Nazareth. Toil and labor, cannot weary, love enduring unto death. Constant was the love he gave her, though he went forth from her side, forth to preach and heal and suffer, till on Calvary he died. Glory be to God